for today. We're going with 26 to 30 for our range. Most of the temperatures are near 30 right now, but we'll be falling into the 20s by evening. So mostly cloudy skies for us today. Couple of snow showers this morning and a few flurries this afternoon. But the big weather feature of today is the wind. It'll be picking up today, 20 to 30 miles per hour with even higher gusts. Tonight, mostly clear, blustery and cold with temperatures around 8 to 12. Plus the wind, it's going to feel like below zero overnight. For tomorrow, mostly sunny, brisk and cold as high pressure builds overhead. Check out the highs here, mid-20s, but it's still going to be windy, so it will feel like the single digits and teens anyway. Right now, not too bad. In fact, very much warmer than what we saw yesterday. Almost 30 degrees warmer in a few spots. 32 right now in Lebanon. It is 28 in Lewistown, 34 for Gettysburg, and 34 degrees in York. I was reading off single digits yesterday morning. Predictor wind chills for you. You can see this evening wind chills will be dropping into the teens as winds pick up. Overnight with temperatures plummeting and the winds continuing. Look at these chills here, sub-zero in many locations. So it's going to be a bitterly cold night and a pretty cold day tomorrow too. Live on Super Doppler 8 right now, we've been tracking the back edge of the system that came through yesterday. Still providing some light snow, especially north of the turnpike. And you can see some school delays running at the bottom of your screen due to that light coating of snow this morning. However, this is quickly pulling away and we turn our eyes to the Great Lakes where this Arctic boundary is located. That will blow through around lunchtime and you'll notice the winds picking up definitely later today. So the predictor shows us the trend of gradual clearing behind that front tonight, plummeting temperatures, increasing wind chills to below zero. As we head into tonight and tomorrow, high pressure builds overhead, helping to ease the wind early tomorrow. And finally, as we get into Sunday, here's what everyone's been asking about the Sunday system for the Super Bowl. I think we might see some light snow during the afternoon on Sunday. As low pressure treks out of the Midwest and just across the mid-Atlantic here, we'll see some snow picking up late Sunday after, say, 8 p.m. into Monday. So I know that does impact some of your Super Bowl plans, and just keep that in mind if you're going to be traveling late, that there will be some snow falling Sunday night into Monday for sure. As we get into next week, temperatures will plummet all day Monday down to 8 degrees Monday night. That does not include the wind chill. Tuesday is going to be very cold, but temperatures rebound Wednesday and Thursday.
It's a pretty wintry 7-day forecast, all told, with temperatures, some snow, everything else.
Snow and wind chills. Yeah, we're really going to be dealing with that wind today. Just heads up, if you have anything outside, you might want to anchor it down, bring it in. We could have gusts up to 45.